Hello, Nailitall, and I know it's been like a million years since I posted something on YouTube. And I also know that I say that literally every time I post something on YouTube. You know what? I'm not even gonna apologize this time. It takes a lot of time, effort, and work to post YouTube videos, so I'm not gonna apologize. But nevertheless, today I'm gonna be showing you two different New Year's Eve / New Year's nail art designs. To start off, you're going to put on any nail base coat of your choice. I'm going with the normal one instead of peel off base coat. Then apply 2 coats of black gel polish. Remember to cure each one in between for 60 seconds under a nail UV gel lamp. I think I got mine from Target from Sensation Nail, but I really don't remember, so you can probably find them everywhere online. Then a no wipe gel top coat. This one is from Sparkle & Co. And remember to only cure that one for 30 seconds. Then we're going to use this gorgeous hollow nail powder from Born Pretty. I will link this below so you can get it. All you have to do from this point on is just buff it in. Like, it's so easy. It's not even, like, I don't even have to say it. You just have to buff it in. Like, literally just watch what's happening on the screen. Sometimes I wonder why I do voiceovers in the first place. Maybe that's why I don't post on YouTube after all. Some parts were a little bit hard to buff in, but it's pretty easy after that. Then just top that off with another layer of no wipe gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds this time. And that's pretty much it for the nail powder portion. But will you just look at these nail powders? This is gorgeous. It's a little bit more speckled and more spread out and bigger particles, if you know what I mean with the Born Pretty one. If you want a smoother look, more chromy, I do want like the Oceans of Beauty one. That one's pretty smooth. For the freehand, I'm going to be using Twinkled brush number 000. It's perfect. It's really skinny and it's really great for freehanding. So this part, you literally just freehand 18, okay. Not gonna lie, I almost freehanded 2017, but let's just pretend that didn't happen. You can really be as messy as you want with this step because you're gonna just go back in with the toothpick after this acrylic paint dries. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention that I am using acrylic paint, so we can't just scratch away the stuff we don't want after it dries. But remember, you have to be on a top coat to be doing that. So I'm on a really hardened, smooth, glossy gel top coat, so that's why it's working so well. But if you use a normal top coat, remember to let it dry for a long time before doing this step. And don't scratch away too much like I did. But for the one, I think I'll be fine. Nope, still scratched away way too much. What's nice about this trick is that you can always go back in, but it's kind of annoying because you always have to let it dry before scratching away. Anyways, now I am going to be filling in the 0 and the 8 with white. Don't know why I'm doing that. Don't ask me. Thought it looked kind of cool and kind of tied in with the theme of the black and the white on the middle nail. But you know what? I don't need to be questioned by my imaginary viewer that's not actually there. Now I'm just applying some top coat, not gel, because I'm too lazy to cure it. For the middle nail, I'm going to be doing a clock. So I'm just laying out the base kind of color for the white. This is taking a long time, but I'm like way too lazy to stop the voiceover, go back into the video, make the video clip fast. So I'm just gonna go through some time just rambling. But basically, you just have to make a circle shape on your nail, not that hard. Then I'm just putting a dot in the middle for the middle of a clock, and I'm going to outline the outside of my circle clock shape thing with black. And again, I can just go back after I'm done doing the rough outline with the toothpick or the white to even it out. Now I'm just going to make some dots in the clock for the numbers because I'm not going to draw any numbers. No thanks, I'm not that good. Then for the hands, and now some top coat. Again, not gel, too lazy to cure. Now, I'm not no simply nailogical fangirl that watches her religiously and worships her, but I do love a good hollow manicure, and this is a pretty good hollow manicure. So if you're looking for something really bright and nice, choose this one to do for New Year's. And also, nail powder was like the biggest trend of 2017 in the nail art community, so it's pretty well suited for New Year's, don't you think? I do. Anyways, without any further ado, here is the second of the 2 manicures. This one's a little bit easier than the first one. So, I don't know why, but I just decided to forget to, like, videotape me putting on black. So, hopefully you know how to do that. And now, I'm just putting on a liquid latex barrier around my nails to protect my skin from nail polish. I love it and I hate it on my skin. For stamping, I'm using Rica whiteout on this firework design because firework, New Year, ring a bell? Nope. Oh, okay. I'm just laying down the white first so you can see the copper a little bit better because I use the copper just 3 coats on its own on my pinky and my pointer finger. Yeah. Then I'm just breaking the seal between the stamping on my nail and the stamping on my liquid latex. Peeled that off, forgot to show that, and apply a matte top coat. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. 2017 was such a great year. Don't even get me started. I got like 4 new macro lenses. JK, only 2. And this one is the newest one, and I really like it, and I hope you do too. For more stuff like this, remember to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. But without any further ado, have a nailful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.